Conversation among Angels of Heaven 33 about Anicca. The discourse about conversation among angels of heaven 33 about anicca or unstable nature of construction activity. Buddha explained this story in Samyutta Nikaya, Linked Discourse, 1.11. SN 1.11. So, I have heard. At one time the Buddha was staying near Savatthi in Jeta's Grove, Anathapindika's monastery. There the Buddha addressed the monks.
Monks.
Yes, Blessed One.
They replied. The Buddha said this.
Once upon a time, monks, a certain angel of the heaven of the 33 was amusing themselves in the garden of delight, escorted by a band of nymphs, and supplied and provided with the 5 kinds of heavenly senses pleasure. On that occasion they recited this verse. They don't know pleasure, who don't see the garden of delight. It's the abode of King of Angels, the glorious heaven of 30. When they had spoken, another angel replied with this verse.
Fool! Don't you understand, the saying of the perfected ones? All construction activities are unstable, their nature is to come and go. Having arisen, they cease. The stilling of construction activity is truly blissful.